Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use max width in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and in order to access the max width, we need to go here inside styles. So click it from the sidebar and then go right here to max width. So as it says, max width keeps elements from growing on larger screens, and then we apply this to the site, and then currently the max width is 1600 pixels. So we can see this in action. So if I make this into, for example, 800 pixels, it says that the max width value must be larger than 1001 pixels. So for example, I'll just put it at 1001 and then close this one, and then we can apply that to our sections individually. So for example, for this section right here, so click on it and then open the inspector tool, and then we can apply the max width right here. So when you click on apply, as you can see, the max width changes the look of the elements that has the max width applied. And then when you preview the website, that will be the look of that section as well. And then if I change this, so for example, let's go back to site styles. So let's change this into maybe 2000 pixels. Let's close it, and as you can see, the section restored back to its original width. But if you have a larger screen, maybe you have a wide monitor, you will see that in action when you publish the website. So for example, if I publish the website, click on continue, and then let's view the website. You will see, if you have like a bigger screen, you will see here that the width is 2000 pixels. And then that is how you can use the max width option to change the maximum width of your website depending on the screen that you have. And then that's it. I've learned how to use it, and thank you for watching.